Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you edit the mobile version of your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to edit the mobile version anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that a lot of traffic, usually at least half of it's going to come from mobile. So you need to make sure your mobile version is presentable. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled in the Weebly website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. So first off, here on the left, I'm going to click on website, and then I'm going to click on edit site. Okay, that's going to put me in the Weebly editor. Now, one thing I'm going to let you know is if you're going to make changes to the mobile version of your Weebly website, it will make changes to the desktop version as well. They're not independent of each other. So whatever you make changes on the desktop, it's also going to be changed on the mobile, unfortunately. So you just want to flip between the two to make sure it looks correct on both. So here on the editor, here on the top, you're going to click on this little computer thing, and you're going to see these two options. Click on mobile. Okay, here you can view the mobile version of your Weebly website. So you can go ahead and just click in here and make changes as you see fit. Well, there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to edit the mobile version of your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.